Hello friends, my name is Ankush. In today's session, I am going to speak about the ORADIM utility and the functionality of the ORADIM utility. When we are starting when we are creating the database by using the DBCA on the Windows platform, you might have seen there are some services created automatically, but when we are creating the database manually on the Windows platform, it is necessary for us to create the services. Without services, we cannot start the database. Let me show you in a practical way. Just go to start and type there as services. You will find there is something called services. Just right click here and run as administrator. Let me show you the command prompt. I have already installed the Oracle 12c database in this Windows platform. Let me check the database name and the status of the database from $database view. Database name is CDB and currently it is up and running. If I'm going to the services.msc, you will find by pressing the O, there is a service, Oracle service, and the SID name created itself, and currently it is started mode. So when we want to start our database, initially it will try to check on the Windows platform whether any services is created with the same name there or not. If it is there, then it should be up and running. If the services is up and running, then and only then you can start the database. Okay, so this is how we are going to see how to create the services, how to delete the services, how to shut down and start the database by using the ORADIM utility. I have this SQL query. Sorry, it's not a SQL query. ORADIM is a utility which you can find out in the bin directory. So go to the Oracle home, then bin, you will find the ORADIM utility. What I'm doing here, I'm just typing here ORADIM. It is showing me that these are the parameters which we can put along with the ORADIM utility. It is not showing me like unrecognized command or something like that, because I have already set my Oracle home. So make sure you have already set the Oracle home. If you want to use this Oracle utility ORADIM, you need to start the command prompt as an administrator. So just go to the CMD, right click and run as an administrator. I have already started this CMD as an administrator, so no need to do anything from my side. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm stopping this Oracle services and database instance as well. See, ORADIM is the utility, shutdown, which is one of the option, SID, this is the SID I'm going to stop. There are two things, whether you want to start or stop the SRVC. SRVC is a services name, and the instance. Yeah, I'm stopping the service as well as the instance. Let's go try here. Before that, let me show what is the status. This is the services, Oracle service CDB, and currently it is started. Just now I fired this command. Let me refresh this. Okay, still it is not stopping. Wait for some time. Okay, so here you can see the status. It is showing as stopping. Okay, let's check. always press F5 to refresh the services, because next change you can't see unless and until you are not refreshing the page. So this is now it is showing currently there is no status. It means to say it is stopped. When I'm right click, it is showing me the prompt as start. So this service is currently stopped. If I want to start the services, I can do it from here itself, but I will use this Oracle ORADIM utility. Now if I'm trying to connect to the SQL Plus, it is showing me as DNS protocol adapter error because the services is stopped. Let's start the services along with the database instance. So to start the services along with this database instance, we need to use this command. You can start your database by using the P file or SV file. I am not going to use this P file here because I have already SV file with me on the database location. So by default it will try to find out the SV file if you are not mentioning anything about the P file or SV file there. Let's check the status here itself. It is now stopped. See here, you can check the changes as starting. What I'm doing, I'm always pressing this F5. It is now starting. It will take some time to start the database services and start the database instance. So you need to have some patience. Let me check the status now. Still it is showing as starting. We need the status as started. I will get this command prompt back also when everything will be started by using the ORADIM utility. Okay, so it should be good now. See here, now it is showing as a started. So till now we have seen how to start and stop the database by using the ORADIM utility. Let me check the status also. CDB, and currently it is up and running. So this is what we were expecting. Now we are going to see how to delete the services and delete the instance as well. Okay, before that, one more thing which I want to tell you guys. This is the command which is provided by the Windows itself. By using this command you can also start the Oracle services. Net start, Oracle service, and the SID name. But again, Oracle don't want any dependency, so he's creating everything on his own. So this is the solution for this command. How to delete your database services? Let's try it. So I'm using this command. Okay, so this is for to create the services. The service is already created. Now I'm going to delete the database instance as well as database service, as it is a utility. We need to go out of SQL prompt. ORADIM, I am deleting SID and SID name. Let's check on services.msc what is happening. Currently it is started. I am pressing F5. It is showing as stopping. It means to say when the services is already running, first it will stop the service and then it will drop the service. Oracle service CDB, pressing F5. So you cannot see here now this Oracle service here because we have dropped the services as well as instance. Now if you are trying to connect, again the same error, DNS adapter error, right? Let's try to create the services again. I'm using this startup mode auto. If you are not using the startup mode auto, it will be a manual. This is the service name, Oracle service. It will be always same, Oracle service, and after that SID name. So first of all it is creating the instance and then it will create the services. Let's try. Oracle service starting. Instance is created here. Pressing F5 to check the current status. It will take some time. One more thing, always start your command prompt as administrator, otherwise you will get insufficient error message. And if you want to make some changes from here itself, start your services.msc as an administrator. Just type services.msc, right click and run as an administrator. So internally what is happening, it is also starting and typing the command as startup. The same thing what we are going, and generally we are going like SQL plus /CDB and startup. So first check what is the current services status. It is showing as started. Oh, so everything is looking fine from the services status. Let's check and try to connect to the SQL plus and check the status of database by using the $V database. That's it. So this is how we can start and stop the database by using the ORADIM utility, and we have also seen how to create and delete the Oracle services by using the same utility which is provided by Oracle. If you have any queries, you can write mail to me. Thank you so much. See you with the next video. Bye bye.